press buttons to lower the heat platen. Switch off and plug removed. Use M6 hex wrench to loose the nuts. Remove 4 corner screws. Remove nuts and springs. Heat platen and cover will be separated. Remove thermal insulation cotton. Thermal fuse. Remove the screw on thermal fuse. Take out thermal fuse. Replace new on thermal fuse. Please use pliers to make thermal fuse terminals well connected. Install thermal fuse on heat platen. Thermal insulation cotton is placed. Heat platen and cover will be installed. Finding correct holes, better to use hex wrench limit the positions. Nuts and springs will be installed. Make sure even pressure by nuts adjusting. Install corner screws.